My history started in small town western Kentucky. I kind of got my introduction to medicine early in life, and I used to go make house calls with my father. He was one of those old school doctors who went and saw patients in their homes, and so I decided to follow in my father's footsteps, and I applied for medical school. Over the years, you kind of develop what your interests are, and I found that I really liked the cosmetic facial plastic surgery. I had an opportunity in Franklin, Tennessee, which is just south of Nashville, to go into a practice where I could just perform facial plastic surgery. It allowed me to gain a vast experience in doing cosmetic facial rejuvenation. My practice really focuses on the individual. I'm not a high volume surgical practice. Some physicians may see 20 or 30 patients in a day, and they're really working at a pace where it's hard to focus on the individual. My goal in starting Youthful Reflections was to really develop an individualized approach to facial rejuvenation. So when patients come to see me, it's not just about having a facelift. It's about addressing the individual concerns and goals of the patient. So when I meet with a patient, I'll sit with them in front of a mirror and ask them to tell me what is it that they would like to see improved. And then I direct my approach to their individual concerns and goals. By doing these procedures in office with some light sedation and local anesthesia as opposed to general anesthesia, helps to diminish the cost for the patient, because we don't have to pay facility fees such as hospital or surgery center fees, and we don't have to pay for an anesthesia provider. So that allows us to keep the cost reasonable for patients, and that makes it more affordable for the average person. We also go above and beyond to provide care for our patients before and after the procedure, to take the time to help them to know what to expect. And I always make myself available to my patients. I provide them with my cell phone number. They know that they can call me 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. I'm always available to them. There's no such thing as a stupid question, and it's never too late to call. My goal is to just turn back the hands of time for them and give them a very natural appearing result. So most people won't even be able to tell that they've had surgery. I've found that it's a very rewarding practice for me.